Hello, 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 everybody, and welcome back for question number 17 on the 2005 Gauss paper. That's the 7th grade Gauss paper, not the 8th grade Gauss paper. That'll be a future video. So question 17. The symbol, we've got these numbers in a box, a rectangular or square grid, I guess. 3, 4, 5, 6 is evaluated as 3 times 6, so the opposite corners, plus the other opposite corners multiplied together. And we get 18 plus 20, 38. So this is actually, just as a super mathematician who's done math for so many years, this is actually something called the permanent of a 2x2 matrix, very similar to something that you will likely see called the determinant of a matrix, but there's a plus sign in there. So fun future math things you probably don't ever have to worry about. Just things that click in my head. And maybe if you watch this video in the future, you'll go back and say, oh yeah, that does kind of look like the determinant. Yeah, that is the permanent. Anyway, not important. So they do this every once in a while. Contests like doing this. They introduce a brand new symbol. They tell you, here's what it's defined as. Then do this simple calculation. These questions can seem quite scary. Just because, brand new symbols. It took me forever to learn the plus, the minus, and whatever. But when they introduce a brand new symbol, there's usually very little they can do other than ask you to do some calculation or reverse engineer some solution. So these questions are not to be feared at all. And hopefully most of you out there don't. But for those of you who do, it's actually quite simple. It's like logarithm questions on the Euclid. A lot of people are scared of them, function questions as well, but there's not a whole lot that can be done with them. Anyways, let's get back to it. Rambling's over. If 261 blank is evaluated as 16, then the number that should be placed in the empty space is... Okay. So let's give that number a name. Let's call him X. Let X be the missing number. Okay. So we have, what was it, 216X? No, 261X. So that's supposed to be equal to 16, but what is the definition? Well, we multiply the opposites, so 2 times x, and we add on the other opposites multiplied, so 1 times 6. So really, we just have a nice, simple equation in terms of x, bring the 6 over to the other side, divide by 2, and x is 5. Actually pretty simple for question 17. Yeah, but 5 is, it's there at the end. Not bad at all. I was actually expecting, usually the later questions in B part will start to ramp up a little bit in difficulty, but that was incredibly simple. They'll probably balance it out by making 18 a little tougher, but I'll find that out in the next video. And if you want to, sort of beat me to the punch, try question 18 before watching the next video. Either way, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.